So we're in Unit 1. Human body systems. And right now we're looking at this particular body system called the digestive system. The digestive system has 3 functions. The first function is that it breaks down food into useful nutrients. Its second function is called absorption. And absorption simply means to move these nutrients into the bloodstream. And its last job is to make sure that elimination is happening. So this is getting rid of, removing any sort of leftover waste from the body. So if you have different colors and or highlighters even, you can highlight absorption, you can highlight elimination, right? These are words that we want to know. Okay, and so next thing that we need to know is that food can be broken down into 3 main nutrients. And those are carbohydrates, what we know as carbs, right? So these are like sugars and starches. We've got proteins, right? This is what we get from chicken and beans, and then fats. Next, we break down food through I'm going to switch mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. And so the mouth, let me move this up so that you can see. The mouth and the stomach, so mechanical digestion occurs with the mouth and the stomach, right? So mechanical breaks down chunks of food into smaller pieces in the mouth and the stomach. And we've got chemical digestion, right? Chemical. The chemical part. We've got food that's broken down with breaks down food with acid, particularly hydrochloric acid, which you saw in your gizmos, and enzymes. And so these enzymes, they're responsible for breaking down molecules. You don't need to know that this is hydrochloric acid. It's just a fun fact because some of you did mention that you know about hydrochloric acid, or you know that the stomach has some sort of acid in it. And so enzymes, they just break down molecules, okay? And so the other thing we have to know, so we're on number 4. Let's go to number 4 up here. Let's make sure that you can see it. Is that the stomach it churns or turns, right? Churns the food into a thick liquid called chyme. So this is called chyme. Let's put this in blue. And we have fat droplets are tough to break down. So as a result, we have bile, which is produced in the gallbladder. This is an organ. Helps break down fat. So we brought up the gallbladder, we brought up bile. So when your food is broken down into smaller pieces, right, after the mechanical digestion part, you have the chemical digestion part, and this happens after your food is converted into chyme, this thick liquid. And then even beyond that, when some of the food is tough to digest, for example, fat, we have bile that's produced in the gallbladder that helps break down the rest of the food. And so basically the main thing that you should also know is that mechanical digestion works with chemical digestion. Apart from this, the only other thing you should be aware of is the diagram, which you'll have in your digital interactive science notebook. All right, see you next time.